Top 5 Premium Camera Phones, 2024-2025. Welcome. In this presentation, we'll explore the top 5 premium camera smartphones released over the past year. These rankings are based on technical reviews and expert analysis from leading sources like DXOMARK, TechRadar, and PhoneArena. Number 1, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Taking the top spot is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, known for its ultimate versatility and zoom capabilities. It features a 200-megapixel main camera, along with dual telephoto lenses offering 3x and 5x optical zoom. With its 100x space zoom and excellent performance in both daylight and low light, it's a true all-rounder. Plus, it integrates S Pen support, making it ideal for creators and professionals. Number 2, Xiaomi 15 Ultra. At number 2, we have the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, celebrated for its advanced camera hardware. It houses a large 1-inch sensor for superb light capture and dual telephoto lenses for flexible zooming. With professional-grade modes and outstanding detail in low light, it's a favorite among photography enthusiasts who love manual control and hardware excellence. Number 3, Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. In third place is the Google Pixel 9 Pro series, the leader in computational photography. Thanks to Google's powerful eye processing, it delivers consistent, natural-looking photos across all conditions. Its triple camera setup, including a 5x periscope telephoto, combined with features like Magic Editor, ensures stunning results with minimal effort, perfect for point-and-shoot users. Number 4, Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Ranked 4th is the iPhone 16 Pro lineup, the king of video quality. It offers 4K and ProRes recording, cinematic stabilization, and accurate colors. The Pro Max model adds a 5x optical zoom, while Apple's new camera control features give photographers greater creative control. It's the go-to choice for videographers and content creators. Number 5, Vivo X200 Pro Ultra. Coming in 5th, the Vivo X200 Pro series stands out as a zoom and low-light powerhouse. Its periscope telephoto lens, combined with a 1-inch main sensor and Zeiss optics, captures rich detail even in challenging lighting. If you love shooting in the dark or zooming in on distant subjects, this phone won't disappoint. Note: these rankings may vary slightly between different review sites due to testing differences, but these 5 models consistently dominate the premium camera phone category for late 2024 and early 2025.